Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Philips Norelco Nose Trimmer 5000. Precision trimming kit for nose, ears, brows, and details. AA batteries used, fully washable. This is what it looks like, the box. Pretty universal. Here's the back. 2-year warranty. All right, let's get to it. Oops. That was not the smoothest. Oh, there's some tape here. Let's check this out. Wow. Cool. Seems pretty legit. Comes with a battery here, which is nice. What is this, carrying case? Nice. Carrying case is always welcome. Carrying case and accessories, different tips, brush, all that good stuff. Cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll drop a link in the video description below where I got this from, where you can order it from, and let me know what you think of this in the comment section. Cool, hope you're all doing well. Catch you next time. Later.